In the current situation, we cannot go out as much as before to build and expand our network, and I'm sure that is affecting your job search. With the increase of remote work, I can see that the relationship building is moving online, and there's no better place to build online relationship than on LinkedIn. You should capture the trend and get the most out of it. Hi everyone, I'm Thea from acejob.com.au, helping skilled migrants and international students get jobs and live a better life. In today's video, I will share with you the most important tips to increase the searchability of your LinkedIn profile, catch the attention of hiring managers, and land the job interviews by just using your LinkedIn profile. The first and also the most important thing that you need to do is to be present on the platform before you can connect with other people. It sounds simple and easy, right? But not all the job seekers are doing it correctly. So let me show you the right way of how to do it. I've been in touch with thousands of job seekers, and there's one thing that worries me the most. Some of you don't even have a LinkedIn profile. And I guess the reason is you didn't need to use LinkedIn to get a job in your home country. And I was exactly the same. I didn't have a LinkedIn profile because I had a very big network and numerous connections with recruiters in my home country, and it was the only way for me to get a job, and I didn't need to apply for jobs online or to use a LinkedIn profile. And the fact is, I didn't have a LinkedIn profile until the time that I came here. But it was a big mistake, and don't be like me, because in the new country, you don't have a big network, you don't have enough connections to recommend jobs to you. And even when you apply for jobs online, hiring managers still want to check your LinkedIn profile. So don't think of getting a job when you don't have a LinkedIn profile yet. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to create a profile on LinkedIn. And it's a very simple step, right? 675 million people are active on LinkedIn every month. And of course, each of them has a profile on LinkedIn. So I don't think that you can't create a profile as these people. Next, I want you to make sure that your LinkedIn profile is updated, meaning every part of your LinkedIn profile should be up to date. So if you recently got a new certificate in your technical background, then make sure that you add it in, because it will make your LinkedIn profile more impressive to hiring managers. It shows that you are a long life learner and you stay up to date in your industry. So it will build a very good impression to hiring managers. Your LinkedIn profile is as your online resume. And if you don't have an impressive resume or profile, people just ignore you. Hiring managers just ignore you and they don't invite you to interviews. So make sure that you have an impressive profile. Your LinkedIn profile will do the interviewing job for you 24/7. It means whenever someone visits your profile, either a hiring manager or a recruiter, they will check the skills, the job experience, the knowledge that you've got, and if you've got what they are looking for, they may invite you to the interviews. So make sure that your profile is updated and impressive, and you will have more chance of getting interviews. Now, an important note is you need to make sure your LinkedIn profile is not only updated, but also complete, meaning every part of your profile should be complete. You shouldn't leave it blank. You should have the content there. For all the parts that are recommended by LinkedIn, either it's the skill part, or it's the about, or it's the work experience, make sure that you have the content there, and the content should be complete. Why? Because you will be rated as an all-star profile by LinkedIn. And when you have that rating, you will be 27 times more likely to be found by hiring managers or recruiters. And for sure, you will have better chance of getting interviews. Some people think that as long as they have a LinkedIn profile, they will be found by hiring managers and get the job quickly. I'm afraid that is not true. As an active user on LinkedIn, I can confirm with you that it doesn't happen that way. If you have a profile and you're not active on LinkedIn, you don't have enough exposure to land a job. So you need to be really active on LinkedIn. No success comes without hard work, my friends. So you need to put your effort and invest your time on LinkedIn if you want to get a job. You can write an article, you can share a post, a video, a photo, a document about technical things in your background. For example, if you are an engineer, then you can share the knowledge or what you know about the new technology and how it's evolving in your industry. Job seekers are usually very generic on their resume or on their LinkedIn profile. So they just have personal claims that they have this skill or that skill. But it's not impressive and it's not convincing to hiring managers because they are just their personal claims and they don't have the evidence that they have used these skills into the real thing, the real projects in real life, and they have gained amazing results from there. And sharing content, writing content is the best way for you to demonstrate that you are qualified because you cannot write or you cannot talk about one skill if you don't really understand that skill or you haven't used it in projects or in real life before. Now, if you think that creating content is hard for you and you're not ready yet, then another option for you is to engage with other people on the platform because LinkedIn will reward active users and boost their visibility higher on the platform. How to engage with other people? You should not only like a post, you need to share the post, tag a friend, or leave a comment because there are hundreds of people who like a post, but LinkedIn doesn't give notification for each person who likes the post. But when you leave a comment, when you share the post or you tag a friend, 100% the owner of the post will be notified and they will notice your profile. And what happens if you will get noticed by the hiring manager? They will check your profile, and if they are interested in what they are seeing, what will happen next? An interview. Like I shared with you earlier, your LinkedIn profile will do interviews for you 24/7 whenever a hiring manager or a recruiter visit your profile. So how can you maximize your potential to impress the hiring manager and land the job interviews for you? One powerful tip that I want to share with you is you need to build a digital portfolio, because hiring managers not only check your profile, but they check dozens of other candidates. And finally, they only invite a few of the most impressive candidates to an interview. That's why a digital portfolio will help you stand out from the rest, catch the attention of the hiring manager, and secure that spot of the interview. Now, when you have the portfolio, where should you put it on your LinkedIn profile? It's a good question. And do you notice that links don't work very well on LinkedIn? Accept 3 positions on your profile. And the first position that I highly recommend you to put your portfolio on your LinkedIn profile is the feature part. So this is a new function that LinkedIn just launched a few months ago, in February of this year to be exact. And this function was attached in the about part before, but now it is separated and it is much more outstanding and prominent on your LinkedIn profile. You can add the external link to your portfolio to this part, and when someone click on your portfolio, it will lead them to the website or the site that you host your portfolio immediately. Or if you upload your portfolio directly on LinkedIn at this part, people can view your portfolio, check your portfolio directly. So with either way that I just shared with you, people can access your portfolio with just one click, and that is so amazing. This feature part is very big. It is close to the top part of your LinkedIn profile, and it is featured with images. That's why it is so outstanding, and I think that is one of the most prominent parts on your LinkedIn profile that you should leverage to showcase your portfolio and catch the attention from the hiring managers and finally land the job interviews for you. The second position that you can add your portfolio is the work experience. So for each position, you can add the external links or you can upload the files to your work experience. And the media after uploading, they are not hidden. So people don't need to click see more to check your portfolio, and they are featured by images, and that's why they are so much more outstanding than the normal text. And hiring manager can check your portfolio with just 2 clicks. The third position that you can also leverage is in the contact info. So LinkedIn allows you to add 3 external links beside your contact info. LinkedIn also suggests that you put your portfolio here by the default text that you can see on this part. So go ahead and use it. And hiring manager just need 1 click to access your portfolio. It's so amazing, right? Now this video is part of the job search series during COVID-19. I want to give you a hand to come out of this stronger and land a job you want. So I have developed a 3-step job search action plan, especially designed for COVID-19. So it is a 9-page booklet packed with powerful tips using some of the most effective strategies that I use for my VIP clients and help them land the job they want, especially during this time. So make sure that you download it, and the link to download is in the description box down below or in the first comment of this video. Now in this video, I have shared with you the tips to leverage your LinkedIn profile to catch the attention of hiring managers and land job interviews for you. But if you feel that these strategies are not enough for you and you realize that you need to work one-on-one with me, then feel free to reach out. Head over to my website at acejob.com.au/one-on-one. Check out the secret job securing system and own the testimonials on that page. Book a call with me from the calendar, and I will share with you the program to build and expand your network, to use more powerful tips, and finally land the job you want, especially during this time of COVID-19. In this video, I have shared with you some of the most effective strategies to leverage your LinkedIn profile to catch the attention of hiring managers and get more interviews for you. But if you want to have more vigorous strategies to build and expand your network and land the job you want, then I want you to hit that notification bell, because in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to build and expand your network to get the jobs you want. During this time, you cannot rely on online opportunities and you need to be more active, leverage your network to generate more interviews, more opportunities for you. So hit that notification bell to stay tuned for that video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video and any topic that you want me to talk about in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the full video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.